Today we're going to be taking a look at the Anest Iwata LS400 WS400 limited edition desert drag racer spray gun. First, looking at the box, the Iwata part number of the gun is labelled on the side with a description below it, and a Iwata quality control sticker. It's the same box as the Series 1 comes in, with its classic visuals of the standard guns and branding. Let's open it up. Well, check it out. It's got the same look and feel as the Series 1 guns, but with a fantastic burnt orange colour to the controls and air cap ring. They have an excellent ergonomic feel in the hand, and the trigger movement feels incredibly precise. Part of the limited edition is the Desert Drag Racer design on the body, sporting a classy emblem and a fun little icon of a wheel kicking up dust. I really like the Pininfarina design on these guns. Available as an LS400 1.3 ET, which is great for base coats, or WS400 1.3 HD, which is great for clear coats, Iwata's split nozzle technology will blow you away. Elsewhere on the gun is the Anest Iwata brand. On the other side you have a QR code, hologram and series number, all to prove the authenticity of the product. Let's check out what else is in the box. A 600mm Iwata branded plastic hardcut. Each box also comes with an EU Declaration of Conformity, instruction manual, spanner and cleaning tools. EU Declaration of Conformity, meaning that Iwata have ensured the spray gun is approved in the EU. Instruction manual, including all technical setup data, troubleshooting and spare parts diagram. Spanner and cleaning tools to help you maintain your new limited edition gun. There are only 50 of the WS400 and LS400 being produced for the UK market, so contact us to find out how you can get yours. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. We'll see you again soon.